All right, friend, I'm going to reply to this because here's the deal. This is the wrong question. The real question is, where can I make connections and where can I provide value and serve? If you make connections and you provide value and you serve others, the selling will solve itself. But if you go into a Facebook group and all you're thinking is sell, 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 how can I sell to these people? You're going to come off as pushy. You're going to come off as a salesman. And that's why people get kicked out of groups. Instead, change your mindset to what groups can I join that I have the answers people need in that group. Maybe I sell quilts and I join a quilting Facebook group. The best way to sell my quilts is to provide as many answers and showcase my work and provide examples of why I am the quilting master in that group. People will see me responding to comments on how to set these squares correctly or how to create patterns. By doing that, I position myself as the expert quilt maker. People start messaging you to ask you questions. People start following your pages so they can see your products. People start asking to meet with you so you can help them with a t-shirt project. And lo and behold, you have leads. And you have leads because you didn't sell, but because you offered value.